Hey guys, today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to magnetize the MF3RS2. To magnetize the MF3RS2, the things you'll need are the cube itself, some magnets, and some glue. I'd recommend something such as Gorilla Glue gel. As for magnets, you can use quite a few different strengths. So the ones that work well are 5x1 N42s, 5x1 N48s, or 6x1 N35s. Which is what I'm using here. The first step is to just disassemble the cube. Once you've disassembled the cube, you can put the stuff you won't need, such as the core, into like some... Now what you need to do is just fully disassemble all of the pieces. So the corners come apart like this, around this stalk, which is pretty easy to take apart. Once you've taken apart all the corner pieces, you want to start taking apart the edge pieces. So the edge pieces on the MF3RS2 just come apart if you place a bit of pressure on the torpedo. This will create a split which can be easily pried apart. And you'll want to do this to all 12 edges in the... Now the cube is fully disassembled. So you'll want to put all the pieces to one side, and then just grab one corner piece. Then what I like to do with my magnets is just get a piece of paper and just put it at one end so I can keep the polarity consistent. So just take off a magnet, just put this piece of paper on, so that you've got this at one end, just so you can tell what polarity the magnets are. One of the main issues with the MF3RS2 is that the corner doesn't lay flush. The corner magnet doesn't lay flush if you put the edge magnet in as far as it goes. So I find it better to just put the corner magnet in first, so you can guarantee this. You'll then want to get your glue and just shake it to, like, just tap it, just to get it running, and then just place glue into the piece. I find it's a bit more practical to use like a cocktail stick or something, just to put some glue on this, as this will just help with the placement of the magnets. So once you've put the first magnet in, it should be about... Once you've placed your first corner magnet, I find it kind of useful to just take an edge and just put a magnet in, so you can use this as a masterpiece. So which you can placement correct for every single magnet. So you'll just take this and just... There we go. This should be about the correct magnet placement for the MF3RS2. So it should... So here we go. So from these two magnets, we can just magnetize the rest of the pieces. So from here we can see that we can create another edge and another corner from every single magnet pair. So we're just going to do this until we've done every single piece until every single piece in the cube has a magnet in it. Alright, so once you've magnetized all of the pieces, you'll want to start reassembling the cube. So I've already started doing it here. So what I just do is I just start reassembling it, and I'll get back to you when it's done. Alright, so once you've fully reassembled your cube, apart from one piece, the way I like to lube my cubes is just some Shiyu lube and some SES Martian. So I'll show you what I do. So I put like a line on this track, a drop on the top of this corner foot, and then that's it for the Shiyu lube. Then I'll take some Martian and just put it in this little line, put a drop of Martian here, and then you put another drop of Martian here. Then if you want, you can put another drop of Martian on the other side, and that's basically all the lube you'll need for your cube. There we go. So now you can just break in your lube. Now you can just check to see if you think the magnet strength is good for you. This is pretty nice. Yep, so anyway, thanks for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe, and bye.